Alright guys, today's challenge is Katie's gonna eat dog food.
Time out. So the reason I wasn't doing the first challenge that Katie did is because I didn't think of it. I was gonna put it in the vlog, but I didn't. But I did do it. One of the separate videos. You're gonna notice I've done 3 foot clothes changes from this shirt to 2 other shirts. So, time in.
I've done a lot of dumb things in life.
He thinks
This
it's
is
not
one
dog
of the
food.
dumbest.
She says it's not dog food.
Eat it if you don't think it's
Come
dog
on,
I think it's dog food because it's treats.
eat it.
Luna just ate one.
It doesn't mean it.
Beef with it too.
food. Eat it!
I'm scared.
Why are you?
Those aren't cute.
Eat it.
You
You
put it out.
put dirty socks in
Exactly. So you can deal with dog food.
Ready?
There's her sister Ren. It's not chasing Kate's and Ren's adventure.
Here, Grandma. Take this.
Come on, you gotta do it.
I will.
If you
I will
throw up
do it.
on me,
Alright, ready?
because sorry, this is not gonna be a long vlog either. Ren,
Watch out with
hold
that.
on. Come on, Kate.
Just put it in your mouth.
Just do it.
What are you doing? Drop it! Sit down if you want to sit.
No. It's not round.
Right here, man. Good?
Could it be
All right,
water?
guys.
No, it's not round. Right here, man. Gently.
Bacon, bacon, bacon. Oh. And water.
Alright guys, so that's the end of our video. Hope you liked it. We had fun making this video. But it was kind of easier because we both did it separate times. I did it during Halloween. She did it something, but why did we come up with this? Both don't know. So anyways, bye. We'll see you later.